Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn off voice guidance on your LG smart television. So if you're hearing back a kind of narrator when you're navigating throughout your television, like if I just scroll across these apps down here, you can hear the television playing the sounds back. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can stop this feature. So we're first just going to grab our television remote, and you need to press the settings icon on your remote, which for me is this icon over here, and this is going to bring up the settings menu, and we just need to scroll all the way down to all settings. From here, come down to general. Inside of general, we want to come all the way down to the bottom and come inside of accessibility. And right at the top here, you'll see this feature for audio guidance. And as you can see, I currently have this turned on. So to turn off this voice back setting, all we need to do here is make sure this function is disabled like so. And that's going to go ahead now and turn off the voice guide. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you disable the voice narrator on your LG TV. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.